Hey guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. Alright, it's Thursday. We are back to doing a holiday keto cocktail. So without further ado, let's jump in. Alright, so first and foremost, if you're already subscribed to my channel, I want to say thank you so very much. If you are not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, that way you won't miss out on any videos. Today's cocktail is a chocolate caramel espresso martini. So the first thing we're going to do is, let's talk about the ingredients. So we're going to use a double espresso vodka. Yes, they make it. Caramel. This is absolute zero carbs. We need Lily's chocolate. Lily is a low carb chocolate, so we're going to use some of that. Heavy whipping cream, which again, zero carbs. Ready Whip, which again, zero carbs. Obviously, we need our espresso, which I have, and then you can kind of get as fun as you want. I got these little sprinkles, although they are not low carb, we're just using them as a garnish. The glass that I'm going to use is a coupe glass. I really like coupe glasses for the holidays. You know, notice that I use them a lot. This one is deeper than the one that I just recently did with those beautiful iridescent ones. Those are very, very shallow. This is got more heft to it because we want to sort of do a layering effect. So those are the ingredients. Let's get to making the cocktail. All right, so the first thing we need to do is melt the Lily's chocolate because we're actually going to use it as a garnish. We're going to rim the glass with it. I just melted some over a double boiler, super simple to do. All right, so I'm actually going to turn this off because it is done. I'm going to give it a nice little whisk. So just put as much as you want. I want it nicely even. All right, into the refrigerator she goes. Cocktail started. So we're going to start with the double espresso flavored vodka. If you're looking for some interesting vodka, this particular one has everything. I have it in gingerbread, I have it in vanilla, I have it in a lot. And so we are going to use 1.5 ounces. And it's this beautiful caramely color, as you can see. And smells just like espresso. It's really a very nice flavor. And then we are going to use 1 ounce of espresso. In my case, it's a decaf. Going to use 1 ounce of the caramel. We are going to set that aside for a second, and in this little bowl I'm going to pour 1.5 ounces of heavy whipping cream. And I am just going to flavor it. You could flavor it with the caramel, but I'm going to flavor it with the vanilla. Vanilla and caramel go very well. I'm just going to splash a dash a splash. I'm going to use my frother here, and it won't take but a few minutes, and we're just going to froth away here. And my robot. I just want it a nice consistency. I'm not making whipped cream. And you can see that's nice and thick. We're going to leave it just like that. Set it to the side. And okay, we've got our glass rimmed with the chocolate. And we're going to give a nice shake. And a pour. Then we're going to take that lovely frothed whipped cream. We're going to pour that right on top. Then we're going to take a little bit of that chocolate, since we have it from the Ooh, look at that, from the boiler. I'm just gonna take a little fork and I'm just gonna kind of drizzle it across the top, just to add a little prettiness to it. I'm gonna take a little bit of whipped cream. Yes, there's cream, but we're gonna make a little tiny dollop right on the top. Few little sprinkles. Gorgeous. Beautiful. All right, let's give her a try. All right, you guys. Here she is. Don't you love the 2 layers? I love that. I think it's so pretty. Okay, let's give it a try. Oh, that's wonderful. The first thing you taste is the chocolate because of the chocolate rim. And what's great, now let me make sure I don't have chocolate all over me, of the chocolate rim. And then you have that beautiful coffee flavor. The caramel is beautiful. In the whipped cream, you can taste that little hint of vanilla. This is so pretty. Well, I think it's pretty. This is so good, you guys. Oh my gosh, if you will. It is super delicious and super good. And if you like chocolate and caramel, I cannot see if there's stuff all over my face. Just ignore it if there is. All right, you guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed the caramel espresso martini. If you did, will you take a moment, hit that thumbs up. As always, thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye, guys.